Hi, I'm Roses59, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Decor pumpkin. For this project, I'll be using scrap pieces of 2x12s spruce wood. Now you want to place your templates on top and use a pencil and trace them all out. For sanding, I used my orbital sander with 150 grit sandpaper, sanded both sides. And for the edges, I just sanded by hand with 120 grit sandpaper. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.